What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're going to replace the coolant temp sensor on our 1997 Ford Ranger. It has two different types of coolant temp sensors. I'll show you guys what that looks like. So let's go and start removing that temp sensor. First things first, let's open the hood. Let's go ahead and open this up. There is the coolant temp sensor right there where the circle is. We could reach in there with some crescent wrenches and remove that, or a wrench, or we can remove this and it'll be a lot easier. So let's remove this. So we're gonna loosen the throttle body clamp. There you go. Disconnect the sensor. And we're gonna disconnect this one. There you go. And then move that to the side. You're gonna reach in there, the tab's right here. You're gonna push that tab. You're gonna go up just like that. Then we're gonna grab that wrench. We're just gonna pop it like that. There you go. There you go. You just twist the rest off, and there will be coolant coming out, guys, okay? Just a little bit though. And that's how she looks like. Okay, so that's the old. And then you're gonna have these two. So this is gonna be the one that we're gonna use. Already comes with Teflon, perfect. But that's that other one, that's that other style, okay? So they're gonna ask you which one, you just gotta figure out which one it is. Let's go put it on. Then you just grab your sensor and just reinstall it. Make sure you don't cross thread them. And you just basically thread it in, that's it. Not really much to it, actually. It's very simple. Tighten it up. And you're good right there. Now we just grab that connector and just reconnect it like that. And just reinstall the tube. Come on. There you go. Okay. And also the connector. Don't forget about that. There you go. And now we just go in, guys, start her up. Now we'll see if she works. I gotta get a new key made for this. All right. Interesting. Now we see if it works. Let it warm it up. Make sure that it's not leaking. And if it is, maybe snug it down just a bit more. But it's doing good right there. It's not leaking. Just let it run. Then we'll check that temperature gauge.